And in this bitter cold, imagine your furnace going on the fritz.
Yeah, replacing it can be an expense many people just can't afford right now.
So 7 Can Help investigator Christy Anderson is live to show us how a local company is stepping forward to help.
Randy, you can rent to own almost anything, and now you can even rent to own a furnace. But this time, you won't be paying the huge interest charges.
There's only one way to say it. It's cold, bitterly cold.
No, not this cold, this long. I don't like it.
Being outside is one thing. Imagine not having heat inside your house.
People can't afford this stuff right up front, so they still need heat.
Eric Potopson is co-owner of AA American Heating and Air. He's had calls recently from people whose furnace went out, but they couldn't afford to replace it.
A lot of people with the economy can't come up with that kind of money right now.
A new furnace can range in price from around $1,700 up to a few thousand. Instead of turning customers away, his company came up with a rent-to-own program. They'll put in a new furnace and allow the customer to pay for it over the course of 2 years. No extra interest tacked on. Those payments start around $15 a month.
It's still going to be the same price of the furnace, but you don't have to come up with all that money right now.
Potopson admits his company won't make a lot of money on this program, but says it's the right thing to do.
Just to get them heat. I mean, times are hard. We're just trying to help out when we can. I mean, the economy will eventually turn around, but right now everybody needs to kind of help each other.
And your payments on that rent-to-own furnace will be based on how much money you can put down at the time. If you're interested, you can call AA American Heating and Air at 342-4843. You can also call the United Way's 211 if you need heating assistance.